Hey guys, Ryan the Fan Guy. Here's my Monte Carlo Vios. This fan got new in box off of OfferUp back in 2020. Well, this fan came from Las Vegas, which is where a lot of people know the Main Street Hotel with all those Victorians are, and it's a pretty nice city too. So, anyways, this fan, I think, was from 2015. Well, it said 2012 on the thing, but I thought it was 2012 for a minute. Let me see. May 2015 year listed. So it's manufactured 90/018. I think it was from 2015 when it was listed. So check the other tab. 2013 UL. So I think it was 2013, 15-ish. So, anyways, this fan is this fan is on the 2013 Monte Carlo catalog. So, it came out in the year 2010 or 2011. So, anyways, it's the light. Here's low. Somehow my phone just wants to stop recording the video for some weird damn reason when I put it on the stand. Well, somehow I haven't tested fans down here in a while because I've been afraid to come down here in the summer because what happened while I saw mice down in the basement. So that's why I haven't been testing fans down here in a while. Well, I did test the Huxley and the Cali Zephyr. So I haven't tested this one in a while. So anyways, it's about low. It's medium. Light. I can feel a breeze from it right here. It's pretty. So, it's about medium. And here's high. Somehow the breeze goes away, like, when it's on high, so I think it's probably wobbling. Well, I can still feel it a little bit. Feel it here. This fan has a 30-degree blade pitch. My drone is 36 degrees. These weren't top sellers, unfortunately. Just like my drone and the Huxley weren't that top sellers. So I'm going to camera's close to for air movement. So when I put, so I'm gonna explain it when I put that in the camera stand. Tags. Top view. Looking at it from the top view and looking at the tag spin reminds you of looking at the industrials at the place I work at. The top view. I didn't show the top view yet of them, but I would love to show the top view of them someday. Whenever I do another video of them. So anyways, it's about high. Here's off. And spin down is pretty fast. That's how steep the blade pitch is. Oh, I forgot to mention, I was going to say something. So before I actually dropped the receiver on accident, but thankfully no capacitors got broken when I was putting this thing up. Well, if capacitors did get broken, I would have been a little frustrated. But accidents like that do happen. The wires on here are kind of a mess, so here's low again and reverse. This fan has a few minor scratches on it, but it's not bad. Well, this is going to have to be a fresh start remake video because it's a long, because like I said, it might have been earlier. Well, it was a long story, so I sometimes forget to say things. It's my ADHD. It's about low. It's medium. Reverse. And high reverse. And let's do spin down reverse. And that is it. That is the Monte Carlo Vios ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe.